In my opinion, bridges is a good example on how place-based regional development is, of course, necessity and needed, but also international cooperation is an added value, yes. Definitely.
Yeah, there's lots of work in them, but also lessons to be learned.
Risk-free strategy is the key for the whole regional strategy in our region, in the region of Helsinki Uusimaa. So we have been working with that last 4 years. Finally, we ended up with 4 teams. One is urban cleantech, how the cleantech will be in future in our cities, because in our area we have the big cities. They are the key motors of the development of this area, but they are also polluting a lot. Yes. And that's why we are trying to carry our responsibility in the field of climate change. The second one is health technology. We have found out that this is one of the the fastest growing area of economic activity. Not only economically important, but also important because our population is aging like it is doing in all Western countries at the moment. And the third one is digitalizing industry. Digitalization is the key for productivity. Mm-hmm. This is what we are trying to specialize. And the fourth one is citizen city. Mm-hmm. This means that, of course, economy is important, but the most important measurement of humanity is how the people are feeling, mm-hmm. and what they think about the environment they are living. In the, let's say, broader perspective, yes. I do not only see it cooperation and collaboration with the developed, mm-hmm. Well-developed areas, but also with the other areas, because those areas which are lacking, mm-hmm. A little bit behind of their development, they might have a lot of natural resources, for example, like we have in Finland. In this seminar, there's people from Kainuu, and the forest is the most important thing there. But we have the science, we have the research, mm-hmm. We have the, let's say, know-how, high-level know-how, where maybe the areas of which are lacking behind are not, yes. having on that high level. And in a way, I think we can try to aim to the win-win situation, yes. where mm-hmm. all are winning.
Bridges is in sort of what we can see it also as a turning point within European Union. We are now getting some good practices how to make Union more sustainable, more cohesive, mm-hmm. and we are now getting the ways how, like Helsinki Uusimaa region has the capabilities of science, innovation, research, how we can use these capabilities within the Union. We have done this feasibility study, which shows clearly that we have so much research, development, innovation capacity, which could be used somehow in the Union area, in the international fields, but we have problems to tell the world and the Union that mm-hmm. that here we are and please use our services. This Bridges project is totally connected to our smart specialization strategy, which is now at this moment most important for the region of Helsinki Uusimaa.